Hey everybody, it's Christine up today for the scrap room, and I am using the DoubleShot kit. This is a PhotoPlay collection and it is Easter themed. However, I am not going to use it for its Easter qualities. I'm going to just use it for some cute spring photos and show you how you can make it work for that. One of the things I always like about a lot of Easter collections is that they can double as a spring collection. Yes, there's some obvious things in there that won't work for that, but there's also usually a lot of flowers, butterflies, spring colors, that kind of thing that will work. So I'm using the Jumpstart sketch, and for the part that calls for half of it to be a patterned paper background, I am using 3 strips of the patterned paper that are 2 inches long. I really liked the way they looked laying next to each other on my desk, and that was what inspired me to go that route. Both of them are busier patterns also, and so it was a good way to be able to use those without it looking too wild. Next, I'm going to add that yellow cardstock that came in the kit as my stripe across the middle where I'm going to place my photos. I have cut my photos down to be 3 3/4 inch squares, and I'm going to put 2 of them right as the sketch calls for on the right hand and left hand side. However, the middle one I am going to make stand out a little bit more because it's the best of the photos, and it's just an easy way to change up the look of the sketch a little bit. So currently I have the yellow cardstock down, and that is 4 inches tall, so it fits my pictures perfectly. This next piece I'm going to cut from the patterned paper. It's still yellow, but has some pattern to it, and I am going to cut that as a 5 by 5 square, and then I am going to tuck it in between there. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to matte that photo with white, again, to make it pop a little bit more. It's already popping a little bit more, but I want it to pop even more than it already is. So I will add that white, and that will just really make that one stand out, both with that and the patterned paper behind it. So as I'm looking at it, I don't love the vertical look at this point. So I am going to flip my paper around, and I'm going to put that patterned stripe set on the bottom of my layout instead, and I really like how that looks. So I'm going to do that, and then that leaves the white up top with lots of room for me to put the title and to do some embellishing. So then I have this whole sticker sheet that came in the page kit to decorate with, and I intended all along to use the word happy for my title because it works. There's 2 silly girls playing together and being happy. I am going to add that up there above the photograph. Then additionally, there is a sticker that says hop hop, and yes, that's kind of Easter related, but I'm still going to use it because it's good alliteration as well. And so I'm going to actually shift happy over just a smidge so that it right justifies with my picture there, and then I'm going to put hop hop in front of it to the left side, and that just makes for a cute title, especially like they were taking these pictures just being silly and goofing around, so it works perfectly for that. Next, I'm going to do the embellishing, and I am going to take the border strip and I am going to trim it down, and I'm going to put 1 to the left of my title and 1 to the right of my title, lining them up in a perfect line that way. Then I am going to add some of the cute stickers that are in this collection. So I'm going to add some of the little chicks so that they look like they're playing around the Hop Hop Happy. And there were 3 of them, which is perfect. So I'll do 1 to the left of Hop Hop, 1 on top of Hop Hop, and 1 to the right of Happy. Then I'm also going to add some tulip stickers in that. And basically, I'm just going to create a little scene, if you will, all around my title. Eventually, I'm going to work in some additional flowers and some enamel dots as well, but not for a little bit still. I really like this butterfly banner or butterfly border, but I did not find anywhere that I thought it would work really well without it being just too busy and too much. So I will save that for another day. I do also like this carrot banner, and again, kind of Eastery, but whatever. It's not totally Eastery, and so I am going to tuck that in underneath my center photo. It actually is 5 inches exactly. It fits perfectly across that photo mat. And then I am going to go ahead and I'm going to pop up some stuff. I'm realizing that like these plants could use some dimension. The whole layout could use some dimension. So I'm going to add some 3D foam adhesive underneath my hyacinth plant and my lily plant there that are on each side of the carrots. And then I'm also going to go back and I'm going to pop up my chicks up top as well. And that really helps just pick the layout up a little bit, add a little bit to it. And this was pretty easy to do with these squares. It just makes them stand up. I didn't have to trim them down or anything at all. Now you can see I tucked a little tab on the right hand side of my main photo that says memories, and then I'm going to take this tag and I'm going to trim it in half, and I'm going to tuck that also behind that photo, again just making it stand out a little bit more. Now, as a reminder, or for those of you unfamiliar, the Scrap Room is a monthly page kit, and it is the only company I'm currently doing creative teamwork with because I have kind of limited time right now. I've started a small business, but I've stuck with this one because I love it so much. So this page kit is a DoubleShot kit. It includes 2 patterned paper and embellishment kits each month. The Flavors of the Month kit has 4, and so you can actually get up to 6 new page kits each month, as well as you can order add-ons like an embellishment kit, patterned paper kit, cardstock, and get just a wide variety of stuff to play with every month. And this is where I am at currently in my scrapbooking world. I am just getting this, so I've got 6 pages guaranteed I can do every month, and then some. There's definitely enough to do probably double that, I would say. In fact, I should play with that 1 month when I have a little more free time to see how far I can stretch the whole thing. But all that said, this is what you're getting a glimpse of. And you can look later this month, I will have more videos with the kit for March. So all that said, fun kit. Obviously took it away from the Easter theme. This one's from PhotoPlay, and you can check out all of her kits over at the Scrap Room, both on Facebook, or I will link you to the Kit Club down below. So thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great weekend, and we will see you again next time.